Les couteaux dansent une douce cadence, les arômes flottent une lente romance, une émulsion de la patience, le zeste d'un agrume, une confidence. Ça mijote, le temps s'efface, une réduction pleine de grâce. Dans ma cuisine je trouve ma place, dans ma cuisine je trouve ma place. Ouh là là. Les couteaux dansent une douce cadence, les arômes flottent une lente romance, une émulsion de la patience, le zeste d'un agrume, une confidence. Ça mijote, le temps s'efface, une réduction pleine de grâce. Dans ma cuisine je trouve ma place, dans ma cuisine je trouve ma place. Les couteaux dansent une douce cadence, les arômes flottent une lente romance, une émulsion de la patience, le zeste d'un agrume, une confidence. Ça mijote, le temps s'efface, une réduction pleine de grâce. Dans ma cuisine je trouve ma place. Ouh là là. Les couteaux dansent une douce cadence, les arômes flottent une lente romance, une émulsion de la patience, le zeste d'un agrume, une confidence. Ça mijote, le temps s'efface, les arômes flottent une lente romance, une émulsion de la patience, le zeste d'un agrume, une confidence. Ça mijote, le temps s'efface, une réduction pleine de grâce. Dans ma cuisine je trouve ma place, dans ma cuisine je trouve ma place.
All right, everybody, let's spoon up.
Have some potatoes.
Of course you're having potatoes.
Your beef bourguignon pot.
Yeah, we'll see how it tastes. It was rather haphazard. You don't want any carrots, do you?
No, I don't like carrots at all. You could use this spoon.
That's what I'm planning on doing.
Smells like you.
Smells like me.
It actually does.
Nothing wrong with that.
To me, that's what you smell like.
Well, I like smelling like that. Sounds good to me.
I've always smelled like wood. I don't know why.
There are worse things for a daddy to smell like.
Probably because you're around now, not.
There are worse things for a daddy to smell like. That is faux shizzle.
Les couteaux dansent une douce cadence, les arômes flottent une lente romance, une émulsion de la patience, le zeste d'un agrume, une confidence. Ça mijote, le temps s'efface, une réduction pleine de grâce.
Anyway, when we were down that, that's good. this point. Oh, delicious aluminum foil.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, yummy. Delicious aluminum foil. Delicious.
There we go.
Delicious. I'll just take these extras. I'll just stack these extras over here.
Oh, look how butter.
Yeah, we can add some extras.
You can smell it. What are we going to put on the fire tool?
Come on, let's do it. Y'all ready? Oh, hang on, I'll get it.
That's gonna be extra. Alright. Oh my.
Is it melted?
It's melted.
Did you
Dang,
put,
even though
did
I'm
you put
burned.
Skittles in yours?
Starting.
Skittles.
What'd you put in it? Oh, you put jelly beans in there?
Can I look at it?
Ha! Fire. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Okay, careful.
Bro, it's kind of burned from where it fell in the fire.
Here, you need a tea? No. Here.
The doggy.
Yep.
You got chocolate all over your face. Bryn's got chocolate all over her face.
Do I?
Lily is just a chocolate mess.
Do I have chocolate on my face? Oh, I do. If I wipe it off now, it'll be pointless. So.
Did I get it all?
Yeah.
Dang. Look at that.
Look at that. Just look at it. I see it.
Look at the
How are you
marshmallow.
gonna even eat that?
Yeah, how are you gonna eat that?
Ah.
Do that again.